Hi, the purpose of this video is to just show you the back end of your website once you sign up with Simple Income Systems. You'll come to a login screen, and I've created a website for us to look at so that we can go through the procedure together, and created a username and a password, which you will be able to create your own username and password once you sign up so that you can get into your very own website. And once you're in the back of the website, you'll see that there are lots of options that you have over here to change your website. First thing that we're going to look at will be under Appearance, Flex Squeeze Theme Options, and here we can change many things about our website. I'll show you what the website looks like out of the box. It looks just like this, and you can change this area, and you can change this area or eliminate this area. You can change the whole size. You can change colors here, colors in the background. Footer, eliminate the footer, change the footer. Add images here, put your own logo, or just add a text logo. Let's just play around with this a little bit. Quick change settings. I can change the overall color of the blog. Let's say I would like to go with a blue color. Change colors. And I can change the lightness if I wanted to. I can change the layout. I'm going to go to a bigger layout with a dual sub sidebars. Change that. And then when I go back over to the site, and after I hit the refresh button, you will see the changes that I've made show up here. We can go do any of these things to our website to change how it looks. For instance, in the header section, transparent header, yes or no. If I click yes and hit sub changes, you can see that the difference over here is going to be, instead of this blue, it will just be the same color as your background. Now picture if I had made this all white. You can also put I'll make it non-transparent, and I can put a background image in there. All these different images that you can choose from. Let's put in money or sunny. Let's try sunny. See what that does. And go back over to the website, hit the refresh button, and so this is sunny. I can eliminate this area, change this area. I think you get the general idea. There's plenty of options for changing the look and feel of your website. And then there's some other options. One of these ones down here is called WordPress Touch, and this is basically so if someone has a mobile phone and they access your website, you can make changes to your website so that they are accommodated. It might look like a lot, but really there's only a few things that you might want to change on here. And there's plenty of instructional tutorials so that you can figure out how to get this all done if you want to. It's optional. Another thing that comes with your website is a contact form. It's actually more than one contact form. You might want to have one contact form for general inquiries. You might want to have one contact form that's used for asking questions for your users. You can set up each of your forms by choosing one of the forms here. You're not limited to 4 different forms. You can change that to whatever number you want. Let's say you think you might need 8 forms. So you just update, and now you'll have 8 forms that you can customize each one of these forms and And all you need to do in order to put the form on your site is to copy this little code right here, and then on your page or post where you want to put it, let's say you have a contact page, then you just paste that in there and the form itself will show up. Now, as far as options on the form, you can change the greeting, the email, your email, use a CAPTCHA so that they have to enter a code to send the form. Where do you want to send them after they fill out the form? And also you can fill out this information here, which will send an automatic response to them. It's called an autoresponder. When they fill out the form, they will automatically receive an email, and you can make the email say whatever you want, and they will get the email right away. Change the look and feel of the form, whatever you want to do. So as you can see, it's pretty handy. And another option is this autoresponder itself, which is a whole system set up so that you can have your own list. You can build a list. You can have this form on your website, and when people fill it out, they will get an email stating that they have to confirm that they want to receive your information. And when they do, then you will have them on your list of subscribers, and you can actually set up a whole series of emails to send to them, maybe once a week, which you can pre-configure beforehand. See down here under this option of messages, you can add a new message, and you can then decide what day you want the message to be sent to them, and right here it'll list all of your message one after another. Another handy function is called SEO Smart Links, and the main thing about this is you don't have to pay attention to all of these settings. Pretty much can leave most of them exactly how they are, but the powerful one is right here. And in this area right here, you can do what is saying right here. You can list keywords followed by a comma followed by URL. And for instance, let's say your site was mycarblog.com, and you listed these keywords just like this in this box and hit save. Then whenever the word or words that you select here show up in your blog, they will automatically be linked with this URL, whatever the URL is of your website. So it's an automatic way to monetize your blog. The other way to monetize your blog is with this other program. And of course you'll have to get a developer key and a website ID, but what this does is it goes out to Commission Junction, which is a place that has a whole bunch of affiliate programs. And it's easy to sign up. Anyone can sign up and get your developer key, your website ID, and you put it in here. Now, whenever you create a new page or a post on your site, you can include products from the Commission Junction network. So you can automatically make your own storefront. These are just some very handy things that you'll find in the back end of your website. When you want to get started, you can just get over to Simple Income Systems and go to the ordering page, select which package you'd like, but you might first want to go check out the pricing options. so you can know which of the packages you're going to want to choose. And there aren't too many details about each of these packages, but if you click on one of the links, you will get all the details for each of the packages and what each one of them offers. Then you can go to the order page, and you will be able to submit your order. And after you submit your order, you'll be paying by PayPal or credit card. Choose a package and then pay. And once you've paid, you'll be brought back to the members area, to this page. And on this page, you will make some selections about your website. Choose your username, password, what you want your domain name to be. Optionally, you can choose one of these greeters for your website. What they do is they'll just pop up when a visitor first comes to your website, and they'll say, "Welcome to our website. Please take a second to look around." This just adds a little bit of flair to your website. So, there you have it. To get started, just go to Simple Income Systems and check out the pricing page, and then go to the Get Started page, place your order, and we will see you in the back end.